Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do the knotless passion braids. I haven't done this on anyone's head yet, but I've been practicing on this mannequin head. I honestly am not a fan of this hairstyle, but because it is a popular hairstyle and everyone's been getting them done lately, I figured I'd learn how to do this in advance. I've inserted a few photos of this style so you guys could see what I'm trying to perfect. I'll be using pre-stretched braiding hair and free tress water waves to accomplish this style. I'm going to start off by making my usual part from ear to ear. Because these braids are going to be humongous, I'm going to split that back section in half. That whole back section is going to fit 2 braids. So I'm going to treat this mannequin head as if it was a live head, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the hair with water, and then I'm going to add some edge control.
Time you try, you would mess it up. It's like the same songs don't repeat. There's a point in staying, so please don't leave me. Yeah. If only I could have saved us before we crash. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Baby, thought we see the end, but I understand that things don't last. No, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had.
I'm going to braid 3 times before feeding in the pre-stretched braiding hair. And because I started feeding in with my right hand, every time that I braid with my right hand, I'll be using braiding hair.
Said you wanna talk in the living room. I'ma take this ride. To get away from you is like the same track on repeat. No matter what, you never get what you need. Anything I do isn't good enough according to you. I'm still messing up, it's like the same songs on repeat. There's no point in staying, that's why I leave. If only I could have saved us before we crash. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Never thought we'd see the end, but
I added about 4 pieces of the pre-stretched braiding hair before I started adding the free tress water waves. Now when I'm braiding with the free tress water waves, I'm braiding very loose, only because it's going to be hard for me to pull out the hair at the end if I braid tight.
good things don't last. No, good things don't last. I just wanna talk, but you walk away. I want your love. I'm begging you to stay. I know I messed up in the past, but baby, this time we will last, yeah. Cause everything you do wasn't good enough, and every time you try, you would mess it up. It's like the same songs don't repeat. There's a point in staying, so please don't leave me. Yeah. If only I could have saved us before we crash. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Baby, thought we see the end, but I understand good things don't last. No, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had. Before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last. No, good things don't last.
When I get done braiding, I'm going to take a piece of the free tress water waves and tie a knot to keep everything together.
I'ma take this ride. To get away from you is like the same track on repeat. No matter what, you never get what you need. Anything I do isn't good enough according to you. I'm still messing up, it's like the same songs on repeat. There's no point in staying, that's why I leave. If only I could have saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under these waves, and now it's trapped. Never thought we'd see
The extra piece of braiding hair that you guys see sticking out, I'm going to go ahead and cut that with some scissors so that the only hair that's going to be at the bottom is going to be the free tress water waves.
But before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last, no good things don't last. I just wanna talk, but you walk away. I want your love. I'm begging.
I feel like this look is already distressed, like you can leave it how it is now, but I'm going to go ahead and fluff it out a little bit more to make it look more distressed and give it that fluffy look that everyone else has.
Wasn't good enough, and every time you try.
So this was pretty easy for me. All I did was pull out some of the free tress water waves. I didn't pull it all the way out, I just spread it out a little bit. It worked best for me starting from the bottom and working my way up. I did have to go back down some, but I mean, I like the results.
Yeah, but I understand. Good things don't last. No, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had. But before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last.
So this is how it looks fluffed out. This is a pretty juicy braid. I'm sure it's heavy too, but once again, this isn't something that I would do on my own head. I like the results, but not the style. And just because I don't like it doesn't mean that others might not. So I hope this video helps someone. This is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell down below so you won't miss another video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. See you guys in my next video.